Hey guys, how's everything going? This is JSer. In this video, let's take a look at box shadow, a commonly used CSS property, I think. This is a demo. We could define a box shadow like this. I usually do would be something like a 0, 1 pixel, and RGBA with some opacity for black. This is for red. Okay. Let's take a look at the syntax. Okay, first one is none. Okay, another one is offset and offset X, offset Y, and a blur radius and color and a spread radius. Actually, there are five of them. Okay, let's take a look at what each of them. So first one. Oh no, there is another one inkset or not? And also this supports multiple background. Wow, separated by commas. Pretty cool. Okay, so this using 2, 3, or 4 nymph value, optionally the inkset keyword, optionally color. Inkset, if it's not specified, the shadow is assumed to be a drop shadow. If inkset, the shadow will be okay, let's take a look at this. Will be in it. Okay. Within this box, this is a box is outside. Suppose there's a light shining on this box. Okay. This is obvious. Next one is offset. Let's just inspect this one. Okay, this is the element. It's actually Chrome has offered us the nice inspect tools about the box shadow. This is the offset, X and Y. You see that if we change this offset, the shadows will be changed as well. If we change it to 0, 0, actually the shadow will be just like a blurry effect around the box. Okay, and then let's just move to the right. Okay. Another one is blur and spread. Okay. Oh, okay. There's an inset and offset. Actually, yeah, it covers. This covers all the properties. So let's just toggle it here. Let's toggle it to offset. It's just first change the blur to 0. This is without blur effect. You see that this spread is 0. If we move to 0, 0, all 0, it will be no. Box shadow, move to X, 1 pixel. Yeah, you see that this shadow moves to right? And then move to the down. Yeah, maybe something like this will be the best in a real production. Okay, then let's change the color to we cannot change color from here. We only change it here. We could change it to black and with some opacity. Cool. And then we change the blur. Before we change the blur, we change the spread. Okay, to see what happens if we change the spread. Okay, it means the shadow is actually enlarged, right? It's bigger than the box itself. Let's reset it to 0, 0. Okay. Change it to 0. Oh. And then just use the spread to see what happens. You see that when we change it to 1, 0, and nothing, 1 pixel is 1 pixel bigger than the box, right? So actually the spread means we enlarge the box without any blur. Okay. If you're 1 pixel here, 5, okay. 5 here, 5 on the y-axis, and then we enlarge it with 5 pixel. It actually will be 10 pixel, I think. Yeah, you see that it's spread 5 pixel. So actually, you see that it's bigger. Yeah. Ooh. Now you see that this width here is 10 pixel and then the height here is 10 pixel. So this is what the spread is. And now we add some blur. Okay. Blur, yeah, is the filter blur we're using. We can use 10 pixel blur. Yeah, something like this. Now we change the spread to 0. It'll be something like this. Well, this is depends on how would you design. How would the design be for this box? Usually for me, what I'm doing usually is, if the first one is a no offset, just as the origin, and add a glowing effect to it, or we add 1 pixel to it and offset, change it a little bit, and blur it like 3 pixel. And add some color here. Yeah, something like this. Anyway, it depends on the design, so I'm not good at design. Okay, so this is the box shadow. It's very simple. Just the last then is actually, rather than the box shadow, we could do something else. It's called drop shadow with filter. So let's try filter drop shadow. Yeah. Why it's inset drop shadow like 10 pixel. Oh no, black. Okay, so here is a interesting part is that the box shadow actually takes the whole as a box, right? So it actually adds the box shadow under the box. But filter, the drop shadow, is different. It actually treats the box, only counts the non-alpha part, not transparent part, as the target to add the shadow. You see that text are having the shadow and the outline have the shadow. If we add the background color to see, I think things will be different. Background, if this is red, yeah, you see, if it has a background, it will be treated because it's just not transparent, and the shadow will be added here. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so that's it. Hope it helps. See you next time. Bye bye.